The UK heatwave looks to be hitting a new gear at the end of July, with the Met Office saying Britons should prepare for temperatures of 35°C this week. This will undoubtedly lead to many Londoners taking transport for London's tube network, concerned about the lack of air conditioning on most of the London Underground lines. On Monday, July 23, the Red Central line lived up to its color by transporting red-hot tube carriages, where temperatures were as high as 36°C, while the Central Line platform at Holborn hit an incredible 45°C. The heat became so unbearable that in a Twitter number, Ask Central Q&A, one Central Line user tweeted saying that the temperatures are dangerous and asked whether anything is being done to solve the unacceptable conditions. The Central Line's official account replied that something was indeed being done. New trains are coming in early 2030 under the Deep Tube upgrade program, which will be delivered with full air cooling systems. Unsurprisingly, this response did not go down well with London commuters who have to take the tube every day, leading to some pretty acerbic replies. However, if temperatures on non-air-conditioned London Underground trains continue to rise, there may be a workaround, as there are some tube lines that do in fact have air-conditioned lines. Currently, there are only 4 underground lines that have trains with air conditioning units. These are Circle, District, Metropolitan and the Hammersmith and City lines. The London Overground, while not air-conditioned, is air-cooled, while the new Crossrail Elizabeth line will have air-conditioned trains. There are several reasons for why only 4 tube lines have air conditioning features. The main one is because they are subsurface lines rather than deep level. Being closer to the surface allows exhausted hot air to be dispersed easily and safely. There is also an issue with spacing. The 4 subsurface lines have larger tunnels that have space for aircon units to be installed on the trains. However, the deep-level lines are older and too narrowed. This means that there is not only no space for air conditioning units, but also for hot air to escape properly. Another issue is the fact that there is a lot of clay surrounding the deep-level line tunnels, which traps hot air extremely well and results in the high temperatures recorded on the likes of Central and Bakerloo lines. However, in the early 2020s, Piccadilly, Central, Bakerloo and Waterloo and City lines will have 250 new trains with air cooling. In other news, UK heatwave, which London Underground lines are air-conditioned. How to apply for Love Island 2019. Jason Spencer, Georgia lawmaker revealed after appearance on Sacha Baron Cohen's Who is America? Thierry Henry's net worth revealed after Arsenal legend agrees to take Aston Villa manager job. What will happen when Prince Philip dies? Who is Joshua Kushner? Karlie Kloss's fiancé revealed after they got engaged. Who is Shin Lim? America's Got Talent magician revealed Jennifer Aniston's exercise and diet regime revealed after Bikini Pictures Fortnite player wins $130,000. Faces Reddit mob Monster X K-pop member IM discusses solo projects on Good Day New York lunar eclipse 2018. Everything you need to know about this week's Blood Moon Love Island. Will Danny Dyer visit daughter Donnie? And when are the parents entering the villa? Dillian White's net worth revealed ahead of Joseph Parker Fight Man Booker Prize 2018 long list. All you need to know. The It Crowd to get another US reboot with new cast. Who is Jesse E. Camp? Missing MTV star revealed as Jason the Next Bachelor. Fans rally behind eliminated Bachelorette finalist Mila Kunis and Macaulay Culkin. When did they date and why did they split? UK heatwave. How to keep dogs cool in the hot weather. UK heatwave. How hot does it have to be before you can go home from work?